very, very beautiful estate here.
What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Welcome to my wine school here on YouTube, where I share the passion and knowledge of wine. So I am a French winemaker, wine writer and founder of one of the most popular wine blogs in the world that is called socialvignerons.com. Today we're looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous white wine, type of white wine in the world, and one of the most famous German grapes. We're looking at how to pronounce the name Riesling. Let's go!
Riesling. Riesling is a type of wine and a grape of German origin that delivers crisp and fragrant white wines. Sometimes dry, sometimes sweeter, or even late harvest, sometimes also delicious Riesling ice wines.
That was it guys, pretty easy, isn't it? Now I hope you can pronounce once and for all Riesling really well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking at learning more about wine pronunciation in general, I'm French but I speak Italian, Spanish and English, a little bit of German as well, so you can check out my top 40 wine words video that will show up at the end of this very video. And if more generally you like learning more about your vino, have a look around my YouTube channel where I'm sharing bit by bit everything that I know about wine. Make sure to dislike this video if you didn't like it, but make sure to like it if you did enjoy it, and if you enjoy learning and sharing about wine to support my work. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Cheers, santé, salud, bye bye.